So I just want to share the different apps and services available within Zoho. So Zoho is this business operating system, and I've been implementing it in my firm, and it's been a game changer because it helps you do everything from customer servicing to the back end operations to your internal messaging to employee management, client servicing. I mean, it's a time saver, and it's increased our productivity. And so let me just show you some of the apps. And honestly, I can replace almost 20 to 30 different subscriptions I have outside of Zoho. I'm not going to name them. I'll do it in future videos, but I just want to show you the apps that are available within Zoho. So, I mean, they have Click, which is kind of their internal messaging that we use, similar to Slack and others like that. CRM, this is a big one. Notebook. Work Drive, this is kind of the files, sheets, show. Analytics is big. Meeting, so this is a meeting software. Bookings is for booking. Zoho Books is the accounting software that we're using. Um, More on that later. Projects, Zoho Projects helps us keep track of all the client work. Zoho Vault is for password sharing. Some other ones here. Mail expenses, sales IQ forms, and then they have other apps too that we haven't activated yet, but I mean they are available to us. And so I just want to quickly go through these. Um, Marketing end. I mean, if you're trying to grow your business or your firm, I mean, great suite of business applications from marketing, finance, um, help desk, your HR, and a lot of this has Zia built in, which is their homegrown AI agent. And Zoho is all about the customer experience. So I'm going to create more videos about the different products, but this is just kind of overview of what's available. And when I first heard about Zoho, I was not really aware of what they do. But the more I'm getting into it, the more I'm just like blown away with everything they've been doing and we can do with Zoho. Let me know if you have any specific questions or any particular apps or softwares you want me to review within Zoho.